What's sleek, stylish, eco-friendly, and bound to make waves in the electric vehicle market? Say hello to the 2025 BYD Dolphin. In today's video, we're diving deep into this compact yet feature-packed EV that's redefining the small electric car segment. From its striking design to its cutting-edge tech and electric performance, the BYD Dolphin is setting a new benchmark for urban driving. Let's jump right in. First up, the exterior. The 2025 BYD Dolphin blends futuristic aesthetics with a playful, compact form. From the front, you'll immediately notice its sharp LED headlights and a smooth, aerodynamic nose that gives it a clean, modern look. Those sleek headlights are designed not just for looks, they improve visibility, giving the Dolphin an edge in safety. Moving to the side, the Dolphin features bold, sculpted lines that flow toward the rear, enhancing its sporty vibe. At the back, the LED taillights are equally stunning, with a wraparound design that adds a premium touch. With its compact size, the Dolphin is perfect for zipping around the city while still turning heads. Now, let's step inside the Dolphin, where comfort meets technology. The first thing you'll notice is the futuristic dashboard, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen, your command center for everything from navigation to entertainment. Moving to the seats, BYD has gone with a premium touch. These eco-friendly materials are soft, breathable, and designed for comfort on long trips. Even though the Dolphin is a compact car, there's ample headroom and legroom for both the driver and passengers, making it surprisingly spacious for a car this size. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, is where the 2025 BYD Dolphin really shines. Powered by an advanced lithium iron phosphate battery, the Dolphin delivers an impressive range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both city driving and longer trips. It's not just about range, though. The Dolphin's electric motor provides a smooth yet powerful ride, with instant torque that makes acceleration feel seamless. You'll go from 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds, pretty quick for a compact EV. And when it's time to recharge, the Dolphin supports fast charging, getting you from 0% to 80% in just 30 minutes. So, no more waiting around. So there you have it, the 2025 BYD Dolphin, an eco-friendly, feature-packed, and stylish EV that's perfect for urban living. Whether you're looking for a green alternative or just want a fun, zippy car that's loaded with tech, the Dolphin delivers on all fronts. What do you think? Could this be your next ride? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car content.